friend. P is for pony. 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 P. Pony. Q is for queen. 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 Q. Queen. R is for rainbow. 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 R. Rainbow. S is for spider. 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 S. Spider. T is for tiger. 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 T. Tiger. U is for umbrella. 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 U. Umbrella. V is for violin. 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 V. Violin. W is for whale. 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 W. Whale.